Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Friday, December the 13th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading so far for the session. The Dow is currently up 14.5. The Nasdaq is up 4. S&P's pretty much flat, up about a quarter on the cash. Bonds TLT up 53 cents, VIX down 12 cents. Euro strong, dollar is strong, euros weak. Silver, copper, gold miners are positive. Crude oil is the only weak ETF here. If we take a look at the ETF list, the strongest ETFs from the opening price, opening print, you have GDXJ up close to 1%, so they are buying those gold mining stocks today. VXX are buying some volatility. GDX gold miners, transports are up pretty nice today. A couple of the weak sectors in the market, you have XBI, the biotechs, FXI, the Chinese stocks, a little bit weak today. OIH is weak. That's going to be the RIG, DO, a couple of those other names. Looking at the ES from how it traded going into the open, we had a big move down around 145 overnight. And then right around 8:30, when the PPI numbers came out, we started seeing some selling pressure. Broke down out of the rising channel, rallied up to the open, and sold right back down. And now we're just chopping around on the ES 15-minute chart as volume tends to die out around this time, especially on a Friday. Looking at the 5-minute chart, this is your leg down, your leg up, your leg back down. So we hit the put some Fibonacci extensions on the little ABC move. We hit the 61.8% retracement of that measured pattern that didn't play out all the way to the 100%, and now we're just chopping around here on the ES. Volume is dying out, as you can see right here. Should be looking for some volume to pick up like around 1 o'clock, the closer we get to this little apex. So keep an eye around 1 o'clock, 1:30, see if we get some volume to pick up, and then if we can get up some price action above this trend line and above 10,000, we'll see some definitely a nice little pop up here. Speaking of that, we're trying to pop up here right now. As far as some stocks in play and the other indices go, let's go ahead and take a look. Let me bring up my other chart here. Taking a look at the Triple Q, the Nasdaq 100 ETF, you can see this one's been trading pretty weak compared to the other indices. The Nasdaq futures is still trading below 34.58, the previous day's low. So you can see the Triple Q is still at the previous day's close, chopping around. IWM, the Russell 2000. IWM, the Russell 2000, same thing. It's back above the previous day's lows here, and it was able to get back above the previous day's close. Russell futures above the previous day's lows. As far as some stocks go that are in play, Amazon's pretty strong today. You see this one gapped up pre-markets, moving to the top side. There's some action in Tesla. Tesla, nice little move there. This is a 5-minute chart, by the way. Nice little move up in Tesla. Possibly move back up towards the highs. We'll see. You can see it looks like it was about to break down this little triangle pattern off this down move, pop right back up. Some action in Adobe. You can see how we traded Adobe. If you go to our Wall Street trading page, caught a good move in Adobe once it broke over this 59.45 area. We called it out for a long. Took some off of here around 59.80. It pulled back in, and now it's back up over 60. Great trade for us in the MyWallStreetTV.com trading room. What else is going on here? Some action in ARMH. We tried to trade this one this morning, looking for a dip buy in it. However, the stock continues to get faded. Now it's chopping around. They did some deal with Google, where Google's going to be using their chips, and that caused the stock to get a nice little gap up, but it's not. They're not buying it. APC, a couple of traders in the office made some money in APC. Stock is gapping down regarding a lawsuit they had with the company with the symbol of TROX, and this was a nice little, very oversold gap down into a support level around the 74 area. So once it started holding above 74, they started buying it, and some traders again in our chat room were trading this, and they did pretty well on it. Aside from that, keep an eye on GMCR. Some decent action there. Some decent action in GMCR, which is going back up towards the highs right now. Looks like this one could possibly get a move back up towards the 72.80 area. Facebook's in play, making new highs. Twitter is in play as this stock was upgraded. Little ascending triangle potentially right here. Matching resistance right here around 58, or a little upward channel, however you want to call it. But just know it's trading pretty strong today. And let's see what sectors are moving up today. You have some weakness in the technology, Microsoft. But pretty much everything's mixed across the board. Not really seeing anything stand out. U.S. Steel was upgraded this morning. The stock's trading pretty strong today. What else here? See what else? What else? AKES is trading strong, so some action in the steel names. CLF showing relative weakness to that sector. Ford's having a nice little move up today. Keep an eye on Ford. And that's about it, guys. Again, not really seeing anything standing out. Hope you guys are having a great day. If we don't speak to you guys after the close, have a great weekend, and we'll see you guys Monday morning in our chat room, mywallstreettv.com. Have a great day, folks. Cheers.